Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely lift your Audi A6 C7. First, ensure you have all necessary equipment, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and wheel chocks. Always park your vehicle on a flat, hard surface to prevent any movement. Before you begin, always refer to your Audi's owner's manual to accurately locate the designated jack points. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful lift. To lift the front of your Audi, begin by securely chocking the rear wheels to prevent any rolling. Locate the central front jack point, typically a reinforced area behind the engine. Carefully position your jack there and slowly raise the vehicle to your desired height. Once lifted, place sturdy jack stands under the designated pinch weld points on each side for maximum safety. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And hey, staying hydrated is key, especially when you're working on your car. Quick recommendation, check out the Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drink cold while you're in the garage. You can find the link for the Oala bottle and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. When lifting the rear of your Audi, remember to chock the front wheels first for stability. Identify the central rear jack point, which is usually a strong crossmember or differential housing. Position your jack precisely under this point and begin to slowly elevate the vehicle. Once the rear is at the correct height, carefully place your jack stands beneath the reinforced pinch welds on both sides. Always double-check their stability before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.